In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with the Revolut Crypto Card, a feature that lets you spend your cryptocurrency directly using a debit card. This card bridges the gap between digital assets and everyday purchases, allowing users to pay for goods and services with their crypto balance. You can link your crypto holdings to a virtual or physical card within the Revolut app, and when making a purchase, Revolut automatically converts the selected cryptocurrency into the required fiat currency at the point of transaction. While Revolut advertises no exchange fees, some users have noted a small hidden fee in the conversion spread. The card supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, giving flexibility in how you spend your digital assets. On the downside, some users mention the lack of manual organization options, and limited accessibility on certain devices can be a drawback. Overall, the Revolut Crypto Card is an innovative way to use crypto for everyday transactions, combining convenience with competitive features. If you found this review helpful, subscribe for more honest tech insights.